Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Here I am Sajini John. In the previous class, we have discussed about cylinder, right? Cylinder and a hollow cylinder. And the area of cross section is a circle, and its area of cross section, the formula is pi r square, and curved surface area is 2 pi rh. Total surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. That is 2 cross section plus curved surface area and hollow cylinder. Okay. Here you can see 2 radii, that is external radii and internal radii, and thickness of its wall is external radius minus internal radius, and we have already discussed all these formulae. Today we are going to learn about cone. Okay, cone, and that cone having the same base area and same height. Okay, same base area and same height. That means base area is r and height is h, like this. You can see like this. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the figure of a cone. You just remember a cone ice cream. Okay, I think you are familiar with that. So you just remember that cone ice cream, and it has a height, that is h, and its base is like a circle, and its base radius is smaller, and one more height you can see here, this slant height, and we can denote it by the letter L. Slant height is L. Now you can see a right triangle here. Okay, here inside you can just imagine a right triangle. Actually, the solid obtained on revolving a right angled triangle about one of its sides is called a cone or a right circular cone. Just revolve this right angled triangle about this side. You will get this cone or right circular cone. Here base radius is r, height is h, and slant height is l. Suppose you have given height and radius. Can you find the slant height? Yes, we can use that Pythagoras theorem. Okay, do you remember that? Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means L square is equal to h square plus r square. Similarly, if you have given this L and h, you can find r. That is r square is equal to L square minus h square. Transpose h square to the left side, like this. R square is equal to L square minus h square, and h square is equal to L square minus r square. And volume of a cone. Actually, volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder having same radius and height. So, what is the formula? Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, and what is base area? Base area is a circle, and that area is pi r square, and you can see one curved surface there. Curved surface area is pi r L, pi r into slant height. Okay, and we want to find total surface area. Total surface area is base area plus curved surface area, that is pi r square plus pi r. So you have to remember all these things. We can take common factors outside and in this way you can write pi r into r plus L, or in this way you can write. So remember all these things. Okay, volume of a cone is, you just remember, volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder. Okay, and its base area is pi r square, curved surface area is pi rl, and total surface area. Total surface area is base area plus curved surface area. Okay, remember all these things. Now we can do some questions. Okay. Exercise 20b, first question. Find the volume of a cone whose slant height is 17 cm and the radius of base is 8 cm. We can write the given things. Find the volume. Okay. We know volume is equal to, volume of a cone, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So we need r and h. But what is given here? You just write the given things. Slant height is 17 centimeter. So we can write, you just write L is equal to 17 and base radius is also given, R is equal to 8 centimeter. We know volume is 1/3 pi r square h. So we want to find h. Here it is given L and R. Therefore h is equal to, or h square is equal to L square minus R square. So substitute values, 17 square minus 8 square, which is equal to 289 minus 64 is equal to 225. Therefore h is equal to 15 centimeters. So we get h and r. Now consider this equation. Formula. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi is 22/7 into r square, 8 into 8 into h, 15. Substitute that values and simplify and you will get the answer 1005.71 centimeter cube. Volume is in cubic unit. Okay. Now question number 2. The curved surface area of a cone is 12,320 centimeter square. The radius of the base is 56 centimeter. Find its height. So we can write the given things. Curved surface area, that is pi rl. Curved surface area is 12,320. That is pi rl is equal to this. And radius is 56 centimeter. Substitute that value here and you will get L. Okay. Transpose these things to the right side. You will get L is equal to 70. You can see L is equal to 70 and R is equal to 56. Therefore, what is H? H is equal to square root of L square minus R square, or H square is equal to L square minus R square, that is 70 square minus 56 square, which is 4,900 minus 3,136, which is equal to 1,764. That is H is equal to square root of this, and using division method you can find square root, or you can use Clark's table. Okay, it is allowed for board exam. Therefore you can use Clark's table. Now question number 3. The circumference of the base of a 12 meter high conical tent is 66 meter. Find the volume of air contained in it. That means we want to find the volume of that cone. Circumference of the base. Base is a circle and the formula circumference is 2 pi r, no? So we can write 2 pi r is equal to 66 and h is equal to 12. Substitute value of pi here and you can find r. R is equal to, when you solve this, you will get r is equal to 21/2. Actually, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Therefore, substitute values 1/3, 22/7 into 21/2 into 21/2. R is 21/2. And h is 12. Substitute values. At last you will get 1386 meter cube. You just apply that formula, that's all. Okay. Now question number 5, fourth one homework. Two right circular cones x and y are made. X having 3 times the radius of y and y having half the volume of x. Calculate the ratio between the heights of x and y. So some conditions are given. X having 3 times the radius of y. So we can assume radius of y be r. Therefore, obviously radius of x is 3r. Now, height of x be, we want to find the ratio between the heights of x and y. So, let height of x be h1 and height of y be h2. Okay, h1 and h2. We know the radius of x is 3r and the radius of y is r. Okay, and one more condition is given. Actually, volume of y, this condition is given. Volume of y is equal to half the volume of x. This condition also given. Before that, we can find volume of y. Volume of y is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here in this case, h is h2, r is r itself. And volume of x is, its radius is 3r and its height is h1. Therefore, you will get the volume is 1 by 3 pi into 3r the whole square into h1. You can simplify that and you will get this. Okay. Now, write this condition. Volume of y is equal to half the volume of x. Substitute volume of y here. That is this. 1 by 3 pi r square h2 is equal to half into volume of x. Volume of x is this. And write it. And simplify. Both sides we can see pi and pi. Pi cancelled. Okay. Can you see this now? Okay. Pi and pi cancelled. 1 by 3 cancelled. R square and this r square cancelled. Now transpose h2 to the other side and because we want to find h1 is to h2. So you can transpose h2 to the other side. And transpose 9 and 2 to the left side. Then you will get h1 by h2 is equal to 2 by 9 and h1 is to h2 is equal to 2 is to 9. The question is find the ratio between height of x and y. So you have to write the answer in ratio form itself. Okay. Now question number 8. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone of diameter 16.8. So radius is just half, 8.4. And height is 3.5 meter. Find its volume. How much cloth is required to just cover the heap? Heap of wheat. It is in the form of a cone. Okay. And we want to find the curved surface area of the cone. Because how much cloth is required to just cover the heap only, not base. So just find curved surface area. We can write the given things. Diameter is equal to 16.8. Therefore radius is 8.4. H is equal to 3.5. And we know first you have to find its volume. Okay. So first write the formula. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Therefore substitute values. We will get volume is 258.72. Then next is required area of cloth. Area of cloth is required to just cover the heap, that is curved surface area, that is pi rl. Here L is not given, therefore you have to find L first, that is L square is equal to h square plus r square. Substitute values 3.5 the whole square plus 8.4 the whole square. That is 12.25 plus 70.56, 82.81. So L is equal to root of 82.81, that is 9.1. Therefore, curved surface area pi rl is equal to 22 by 7 into 8.4 into 9.1. When you simplify, you will get 240.24. Okay, and the 7 and 8.4 can be cancelled. In this way you can simplify this. Okay, right? 9th one homework to 10th one. A solid cone of height 8 cm and base radius 6 cm is melted and recast into identical cones, each of height 2 cm and diameter 1 cm. Find the number of cones formed. Okay, a solid cone, big cone, is melted and recast into some identical cones, and the height and base radius of both the big cone and the smaller cones are given. We want to find the number of cones formed. Okay, so do you remember the formula? Number of cones is equal to, what is number of cones? Actually, volume of big cone is equal to sum of the volumes of smaller cones, right? So volume of bigger cone is equal to number of smaller cones into volume of each smaller cone, right? Therefore, we can write volume of, okay, here you can see number of cones, let it be n, is equal to volume of solid cone divided by volume of identical cones. So before that we can find volume of solid cone. Volume of solid cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here it is given radius 6 and h is 8. Therefore, substitute values 1 by 3 pi into 6 square into 8. Volume of identical cones, that is, in that case, radius is 0.5 and h is equal to 2. Substitute values 1 by 3 pi into 0.5 the whole square into 2. Just write this, just to substitute. At last we can simplify. Okay. Now you can write the formula, number of cones is equal to volume of solid cone by volume of identical cones. Now write these two. This one divided by this. You can see here, you can see 1 by 3 pi cancelled, and we can simplify the remaining only. Now you can see the steps, and at last you will get number of cones, smaller cones, 576 smaller cones can be made. Okay. Now 2 more questions, 11 and 12 homework. Once again I repeat, the curved surface area of a cone is pi r L, where L is the slant height and r is base radius, and volume of a cone is 1 by 3rd of the volume of a cylinder, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the total surface area is base area plus curved surface area, that is pi r square plus pi rl. Okay, so remember all these formula and just apply this formula in the given questions. Okay, thank you.